Hey friends, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to format cells within Numbers on your Mac. Let's get into it. Okay, so I obviously have a very simple spreadsheet here, but hopefully this will serve you with some basic demos that you can then get creative with. So what we want to do is we want to select the cell that we want to format. Again, this is a very basic spreadsheet with the months that we're potentially using, as well as some numbers that could represent sales or expenditures for a business, anything that we really want it to. So what we want to do is we want to highlight the cell first that we want to format. So let's come up here and let's click on this cell. And then we're going to come over here to our options. You can see we have a number of different things to choose from. When you're formatting cells, you're going to want to be on the Cells tab. So I'm going to click on this. And as you can see, we're automatically going to get some format options that I can use with this little drop-down menu. So let me click on that. And as you can see, we immediately have great things to pick from. I am going to go ahead and select currency, but you can also go with percentage or date and time, all sorts of different things. I'm going to click currency. And as you can see, the number has now shifted to a dollar figure. Now, there's a number of different other options that you can choose for formatting. Let's say I just wanted to see the actual number without any of the decimal points. I can actually click this up and down up to all sorts of decimal points that you might want to use. Let's keep that in this kind of dollar figure. You can also use the accounting style. You can see the dollar symbol is then moved to the far left of the cell, or you can use the thousand separator and get a nice little comma. Now, this could be very tedious if we tried to go through each of these cells and do these one by one. So what I like to do if I have similar numbers in a specific column is I can actually just click on this top bar right here, and that's going to select our entire column. Maybe you have like-minded numbers just in one small section. What you can do in that case is just grab, hold a cell, drag down, and make sure you've selected all of the specific cells in that region. Again, what we're going to do for this video tutorial is we want all of the numbers that are going to be placed in column B now and in the future to have this specific format. So once I have that column selected, I'm going to come back over to that cell tab, and then I'm going to click on the drop down and I'm going to click on currency. You can see there's these little dash marks indicating that both of these formats are currently being used. I want to click on currency, currency only. You can see that it automatically adjusts. Now again, you can see that there's only a comma after that specific 6 in this specific cell. So if I want it to show up that way for all of them, I'm going to have to click on that again and make sure I get a nice little check mark. Okay, let's look at one more formatting style, and that's date. So again, let's make this quick. I'm going to click on the entire column again using that button. Come over here and you can see that we actually have a date format that's auto-recognized. So what we can do if we want a different style of date format, we can actually drop this down and we can click on date and time. And then we can come in here and we can choose the style that we'd like to see for that specific date. So you've got long format if you want it all typed out. You also have really short typed out formats if you want to see the month, day, and then year. And again, just all sorts of formats that you can choose from. Maybe you just want to see the year. You can select any of these guys, and that way it'll automatically shift and show up in that format for all of these specific cells. Friends, I hope that's helped. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? Lets us know we're making helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We try to answer those. And subscribe because we got a bunch more tutorial videos within Numbers that are coming up really soon. Thanks so much for watching.